First I have the pork chops, the eggs, half an onion, flour, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and pepper seasoning salt, and cracker crumbs. I take the seasonings and I put them in with the cracker crumbs. Take the flour and I put that in there. And I stir it all up. Then I take an onion. This is like half of a large onion, and I mix it in with the crumbs. While I'm doing this, I have my oil set to a medium-high heat, heating up. Then I take my pork chop and dip it in the egg. And dip it into the cracker onion. I get it good and coated. And then I drop it into the hot oil. And then I repeat that until my pan is full. And I will show you the finished product here in a little bit. I fry them for like 3 minutes on one side and then flip them over. They have a nice golden brown. This is about 3 minutes on each side. They're a nice golden brown. That's for the thin cut chops. And you're ready to serve them up and enjoy. I have about 10 more of them to make, so I will get back to cooking, and you guys have a great evening.